Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to go over AWS Transit Gateways. Now, AWS Transit Gateways gives us the ability to connect VPCs and our on-premise networks through a central hub. This would simplify our network connections because the Transit Gateway would act as a central cloud router, with each connection only being made once. It gives us the ability to connect to thousands of VPCs with either our VPN, direct connect connections, or third-party appliance to a single cloud router. This also enables transitive peering between many VPCs and on-premise network in a hub and spoke model. Now, this service does work across different AWS regions and AWS accounts. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, if you start creating too many VPC peering connections, this would require more maintenance, and these would be connections that you as the cloud engineer would have to manage and keep track of. With AWS Transit Gateway, it would take care of all these types of connections. I hope in this video you learned a little more about AWS Transit Gateways. I'll see you in the next video.